Today we are going to see cryptocurrency wallet app development.
There has been a significant demand for crypto wallets in the market since cryptos emerged.
Hardly can you find a crypto business that runs without the usage of wallets. Looking at the high demand, the right time has come for startups to develop a crypto wallet app. What is a cryptocurrency wallet app? The cryptocurrency wallet app helps the users and traders of crypto exchanges to store their digital assets in a secure form. The application is mainly designed to safeguard assets from malware attacks.
Core features of the crypto wallet app.
QR code scanner, multi-crypto support, transaction history, real-time conversion rates, automated session logout, cross-platform compatibility, push notifications, easy portfolio management, packed security.
Benefits of cryptocurrency wallet app development.
High scalability, cost-effective, faster deployment, high customization scope, no need for technical expertise, highly secure and trustworthy. Development methods. There are two methods to develop wallet app, from the scratch, or using a white-labeled software. Why choose Coinsclone? Coinsclone is among the best companies for startups looking to develop a crypto wallet. We provide development solutions related to blockchain-related businesses. Contact us to develop your crypto wallet in an affordable and optimum way. Contact our experts today to get a free demo. Thanks for watching.